In this video, I'll show you how to archive versus delete in ClickUp. When you manage tasks, lists, folders, or spaces in ClickUp, it is important to know the difference between archiving and deleting. Both options remove items from your active workspace, but they are not the same. Archiving is the safer option when you want to hide something from your main view, but may need it again later. For example, you can archive completed projects, old client work, past campaigns, or tasks that are no longer active. Archived items are removed from everyday views, but they can usually be found again if you need to review or restore them. Deleting is more permanent. When you delete something in ClickUp, you are removing it because you no longer need it. This might be useful for duplicate tasks, test items, mistakes, or information that should not stay in your workspace. First, open ClickUp and go to the task, list, folder, or space you want to remove from view. Click the three-dot menu or settings menu for that item. You should see options such as archive or delete, depending on what type of item you selected and your permissions. If you choose archive, the item will disappear from your active workspace, but it is not gone forever. This is best for work you want to keep as a record. If you choose delete, ClickUp may ask you to confirm the action. Read the confirmation carefully before continuing, especially if the item contains important tasks, comments, attachments, or project history. As a best practice, archive items when you are unsure. Delete only when you are confident the item is no longer needed. Using archive and delete correctly keeps your ClickUp workspace clean, organized, and easier to manage without accidentally losing important information. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.